Hi there, welcome back. Excel autocorrect is designed to correct misspelled words as you type automatically, but it is more than just correction. You can use this feature to change abbreviations to full text or replace short code with longer phrases. It can even insert check marks, bullet point, or other specific symbols on the fly without you having to access anything. For example, you can type VAT and Excel type value added tax. This lesson will teach you how to do all this and more. Let's see an example to understand the usefulness of autocorrect. To create an autocorrect entry, click the File tab and then click Options. To display the Excel option dialog box, now click Proofing and then click Autocorrect Options. In the autocorrect dialog box, you can create your replacement for autocorrect. In this case, for value added tax, I will type in VAT and press Tab. And then in the weight box, I can type in the text that I want to replace. We will make it a value added tax and I will click Add. Click OK. OK again. Go to cell A1, type in, press and enter. And magically, that is converted into value added tax. So, a great way to save time with phrases that you use frequently.